Please prepare juniors open kata boys. Upaz, Ali, Sumakoy, Franco. Tupaz,
Only minus 61 kilograms. Female committed. Flores Lucina Ariana from AKA Aha. Silva Roshi Mayra from AUK Cebu. Al and Clarice K. Enriquez from Sawaga City Karate. Al. Kindly proceed at Tatami 2. Tatami 2 please. Flores Lucina from AAR, Silva Roshi Mayra from AUK, and Enriquez Clarice K. from Sawaga City, Karate. Please proceed at Tatami 2 now.
please prepare under 21 open kata female winners. Vigilias, Aquino, Tiglao, and Albay.
Also, under 21 minus 68 kilogram female committed, Muraya Umina Grace from State Shalaman, Ayuda Marina Rose from JKS PJTS Agula, and Aguilon Andrea Rose from State Shalaman. Once again, minus 68 kilograms female committed, Muraya Umina Grace, Aha, Ayuda Marina Rose, out, and Aguilon Andrea Rose, out, Tatami 2
Coming under 21 open kata female winners, please prepare near the podium. Vigilias, Aquino, Tiglao, and Albay.